Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about how to create the columns in these grid lines. As in my previous video I have told about how to create these grid lines. So now in my today's lecture I'll be telling about how to create the columns, and after creating the columns I will tell about how to create the foundations. Then after the foundations I will tell about how to create the beams, then how to create the slabs, then I will show you the proper building, the full building, then the staircases. So in this manner I will show you each and every steps. So now let me today create the columns in all the building. So let me go to the foundation level. After moving to the foundation level, now let me create the columns. So remember that there are two type of columns. If you will go to the architecture tab, there are two type of column: architectural column and structural column. But as I am doing here or teaching here Revit structure, so our aim is only to create structural columns but not architectural columns. So I'll go simply to the structure tab and click on columns. After clicking on columns, you can select here different type of columns, or if there is not present here, you can simply go to insert load family, then our is US metric. Then after going to the US metric, because my unit is in meter mm, so our is US metric. After going to the US metric, here go to structures, structural columns, then various kind of columns are there. These are precast columns such as pre-stressed concrete columns, then steel column, wooden columns, light steel columns, then concrete columns. I'll go to here and I'll select all and I'll open it. Or simply I will create, this one is M concrete rectangular column, this one is M concrete square column. Let me click on rectangular column, override the existing version as it was already present here. So let me do one thing, let me create 2 to 3 columns. Suppose I will create this column. So I will I have selected 300 by 450 column. So now let me go to the edit, and after going to the edit, let me go to the duplicate and change the name of the column as column 1 300 by 450 mm. Okay, now click on OK. After that, go to the, I have created 300 by 450 columns. I will make different type of columns. Suppose I will make another column of 500 by 500 or 450 by 600. Click it here, click it edit type, create a duplicate, change the name to column 2. Okay, let me the dimensions are present here. You can also change the dimension. Suppose I will create click as 400 by 600. Now after rename 400 as 400 by 600. Okay, now click on OK. I have created another one column. These two columns I have created. Now I will place one by one each column. Suppose I will click it here and I will place the column here. But up to what level you want to create? I want to create the column up to the multi level, means up to the top level. Okay, so for creating the columns, selecting the columns, so let me select here 300 by 450 column wall. I will create the in the foundation level I need to create the column here, and for that what I will do is I will select the depth up to the multi level. As you can see here, top constraint is invalid for the level. Do one thing, cancel it. So they are not able to creating the column. So for that what we will do is, suppose keep here unconnected and keep here any height, suppose 1. Simply you click it here, and vertical column, okay, click it here. I have created. Now let me go to the properties of this column. Let me double click it or click it, select it. After that you can see here base level. Its base level is foundation, correct? Its base offset means base level is -1 meter below, not required, because I want to create the foundation from the foundation level. So sorry, the column from the foundation level, so base offset not required. Then after that, its top level is not foundation level, its top level is multi level. I want to create the column to the multi level, okay. Top offset not required. Now apply it. After creating, I can go to this column again, check it whether it's okay. Yeah, base offset is, keep it as 0 and apply it. Again check it. Yeah, okay. Now I can check in the 3D view. Yeah, this one is in the 3D view, but it's looking like a bit above the foundation level. So let me go to the elevations. In north elevation, now I can check here, each level is from the foundation level, and the column is up to the multi level. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the columns. So now let me again move to the foundation level. After moving to the foundation level, now let me create again columns, and click in the columns. This column, I want the columns at different, suppose I want one column here. Or you can do one thing, you can simply because it is a very hectic process to select one by one all the joints. So if you want to create the columns in this grid lines, you can simply click at, I want to create the column at grids. Now select all the grids. You have to select not from left to right, but you have to select from right to left. See, first select from right to left, then press the control button and select it. So now columns are created everywhere. Now finish it. See, by selecting add grids in this manner, you can very easily create the columns. Now I will check the properties of all. Click it here, or go to the elevation level, north elevation or east elevation. In 3D view, see, the columns are created but very short because I have given us only 1 meter. Now let me do one thing, let me select all the columns. Let me select all the, or simply you can do one thing, you can simply go to the ground floor level, foundation level. You can simply go to the foundation level, you can select one column. After selecting one column, type SA. After pressing SA, now you have to change the properties. Base level is foundation, base offset as 0, top level, okay, top level is multi level, okay, base offset 0, top offset 0, applied. Okay, They are telling that there are multiple identical instances because I have already changed the one column. So let me do one thing. Let me uncheck this column. Let me select these three columns. Let me select these columns and these columns. Now let me change its properties. Because I have already changed the properties for this column. Now change the properties: base level as foundation level, top level as empty level, base offset 0, top offset 0, applied. Now let me click one and again check. Yeah, everything is okay. Now if we go to the 3D view, you will see the columns are present here. You can see here now the columns are present up to the top level. If you will go to the north elevation, you will check here. See, the levels are present from the foundation to the empty level. Very clear. Now delete all this floor as these are not required. Ground floor, only foundation level is required, and 3D view is required, and north elevation is required. Okay, done. Now again move to the foundation level, and now again create the different column. Now let me click in the columns and select the C2 column, and I want to create vertical columns and add the grids. Now select this grid. Now click on finish. Now those columns are created. Now again click in one column and type SA in the keyboard. Base level is foundation, correct. Top level is multi level. Top offset 0, base offset as 0. Now apply it. Now you will able to check it in the 3D view and as well as in the north elevation if everything is okay. Though in the 3D view it's looking like some are shorter. It's looking shorter. So you can do one thing. You can simply place the shift and middle mouse button. You can check that it depends upon the rotation, but all are in the same level or not. You can go to the north elevation. I have checked all are in the same level. In the east elevation you can check all are in the same level. In the south elevation you can check all are in the same level. In the west elevation you can check all are in the same. It means that all the columns are up to the same level. I can go to the 3D view and I can even view their properties by going to the realistic view, how the columns will look like. See, in the realistic view the columns will look in this manner. After that, now again go to the foundation level. After going to the foundation level, now so in this manner, now as I have shown you that how to create the columns. So in this manner we can create the columns. After creating the columns, yes, in my next video I will show you how to create the foundations below the columns. But along with that, I will also show you in this video that how to give the notations, such as how to give their annotate. Just go to the annotate and go to aligned and just give their dimensions. Go to annotate, aligned, go to the annotate, go to the aligned. Instead of clicking this line first, I will click in this line and this line. After that, See, now I have shown the annotations. Even along with the annotations, I can click it here. Simply press the escape button. I can click it here, and I can even change this one with an arrow, such as this arrow. Similarly, I want to click it here and I want to show it here. Simply click it with an arrow. Along with that, you can also move a little bit in this manner. So hope it's clear to all of you how to show the dimensions in the column, and all are in mm. After that, in the similar manner, you have to give the dimensions to all the columns. Okay, after that, what you need to do is, now I will tag all by their name. As in AutoCAD, we can name all the columns in a similar manner by going to the such as in AutoCAD we will write model text, and after that we can write here. See, in this manner we used to write in the AutoCAD the model text, but here we can directly give the names of all by simply going to the annotate. After going to annotate, we will tag by category. After clicking on tag by category, we will click it here. But this one is C1 column, but its leader is also present. If we will uncheck the leader, it will show in this manner. The leader is not present. And if we want to make the this one as vertical, it will show you in this manner. And if you want the leader, and the leader height should be only 1 mm, then it will show you in this manner. So let me click it here. Okay, similarly you can click it here, but if you want all the columns to be named together, then means if you don't want to individually click on all the columns, you can simply go to the view, you can simply go to the annotate, then tag all. You can click on tag all. What you want to tag here? You want to tag here the structural column text. Click on structural column text, apply it. See, now all my columns are tagged along with the C2 column, along with the C1 column, all are tagged in a proper manner. Along with the, suppose I don't want it here, I can delete it here and I can show here only the dimensions. So hope it's clear to all of you how to show the dimensions as well as how to name their annotations in all the columns. These are the C2 column, these are the these are the C2 columns I have made, and half part I have made as the C1 columns, and in this manner we can also show their dimensions as well. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the columns and how to tag their names, annotate their names, as well as how to give dimensions to all the columns. Suppose I have given the dimensions to these columns and I want to give the dimensions to the C2 column as the dimension is different. Go to aligned. After that, suppose from this line to this line I want the annotations, give it here. Suppose from here to suppose from here to here I want the annotations, give it here. Suppose I want the annotations from here to here to here, I have already, suppose from here to here. Suppose from this line to this line I want to give the annotations, I can give it here. In this way I can even give the annotations. Similarly, we can even change their font. How we can change their font? We can simply click in this tag. After clicking in this tab, you can go to the edit family. You can, after clicking in this tag, you can go to the edit family. After going to the edit family, you can check here, as this one is present here, you can click in this one. You can, after clicking in this one, you can go to edit type, and after going to the edit type, you can go to the text size, as here it is 3 mm. You can keep it here as 1 mm and click on apply. After clicking OK, now load into project, overwrite existing values. Now it will become 1 mm size. See, all my columns are now changed. After that, you can also edit them, and you can edit their arrowhead. Suppose you want them, their arrows, like 30-degree arrow, large arrow, 15-degree arrow. In this manner also we can, suppose we can change open dot 2 mm. Suppose you click it here and click on OK. Or if you want to change them, you can also change them. Okay, even you can click it here and you can press the escape space bar by change if you want to change their dimensions. Okay, so this is how. Or you can, even if you want to change their different properties, you can, even if you want to change their leader line, then click it here, apply it, the leader line will be also present. See, the leader line is present here. You can also change their leader line, or you can even move their leader line. So in this manner you can do various kind of changes. Okay, you can also even remove the leader. If you if you double click it, then you can check this one, and you can also edit this level. If you want to edit the level, you can simply go to the edit the level. Okay, if you want to move the key from the top to the, from the middle to the top, you can also align it. In this manner we can do numerous kind of changes to these levels. So hope it's clear to all of you. Let me close all this. So foundation level, so these are the various things which are done in the foundation level, but I will give their notations and all these things is not in this level. I will create their notations, their naming in the foundation level. So simply I will click in this level and I will press SA, or I will do one thing. Remember to create all these things in the, not in the floor plan, but in the structural plan we need to create it. Because I have I need to create the drawings in the floor plan like in this manner, but I need to give their dimensions, their annotations, their everything. Means there, if I want to modify their properties, I have to show everything in the structural plans. Suppose, such as in the structural plan, go to the foundation level and I have to show here the tags by going to the annotate, tag all, column tags, apply it all. In this manner you have to show it here, not to that foundation level. Again go to this level, as then again go it here, go to the edit type, as it's 1 mm, make it as again 3 mm because it's showing very small. then apply it. Okay, then load into project, overwrite. Yeah, now everything is okay. Now I have to show their dimensions as well in the foundation plan, but I have to remove those things from the floor plan. I have to remove all these things from the floor plan. I cannot show in the floor plan. I need to show all these things in the structural plan only. Or you can do one thing, you can go to the annotate, tag all, remove the tag. Column tab, apply, okay, now remove it, because I need to create the drawing further from this plan only. So hope it's clear to all of you that I have removed everything from the floor level floor plan foundation level, but I have created everything in the foundation level of the structural plan. I need to even create their dimensions also. Again, I will show you how to create the dimensions in a similar manner by going to annotate, aligned, suppose I want to create I have already given this dimension. If I want to give these dimensions from here to here, then I can give in this manner. And if I want to give the dimensions from the half, then I can give from here to here these dimensions, as well as if I want to give from here to here these dimensions, then from here to here these dimensions. So hope it's clear to all of you how to give the dimensions of the column as well. And let me remove this tag from here and only the dimensions part from here. So hope it's clear to all of you how to give the dimensions. And along with that, in this foundation level plan, I will also change the color of the plan by simply selecting one column. After selecting one column, go to the edit type, sorry, not to the edit type. After selecting one column, I need to go to the material, structural material, like here. I'll click it here. After clicking it here, I will go to the graphics. Here material is already selected, concrete cast in gray, material is okay. Now here I will select the color of the cut pattern. Let me select this one, and in the concrete select it here and solid fill, click it OK, apply it. After that click on OK. Now as you will see all the columns in this proper manner, how the columns looks like. So this is actually the structural plan, that is the foundation structural plan of the foundation level. But floor plan will look very neat and clean. Here no dimensions will be present, no annotations will be present. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the columns and how to give their annotations. So in my next video I will be creating the foundations as well. So thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.